You may be doing all the right things when it comes to your savings, putting money aside from every paycheck, contributing to your employer's retirement plan, and diversifying your investments. But if you're concerned that these things might not be enough, here are some money moves that you may not have thought of that could turbocharge your finances and set you up with financial security for life. There are two ways to increase your nest egg. One is to save more and make those savings work harder for you. So here are 4 ideas that will help you do both and get you thinking about how to save. Number 1, make your savings very hard to get at. One of the keys to growing your savings is to keep your money in an interest-bearing account and don't touch it. Or open a separate savings account. Don't get a debit card, and if possible, don't link it to your other accounts. When you want to deposit money, you can use mobile check deposits feature with Sunmark's online banking or visit a Sunmark branch. Number 2, control your debt. If your goal is financial security, debt has no place in your plan. A mortgage, car payment, and student loans may be somewhat unavoidable parts of life, but controlling the amount of money you pay for those loans can help you on your way to financial security. Keep an eye on interest rates too, so you'll know when it makes sense to refinance mortgage or student loans.
People refinance for a lot of different reasons, and interest rate is the most common. Interest rates are really low right now, so if you've purchased a home or refinanced years ago, most likely the interest rates today are a lot lower, and it's an opportunity to save money per month. People refinance also to lengthen their term or shorten their term. Mortgages, new mortgages give you an opportunity to go from a 15-year term back out to a 30-year, or if you have a 30-year mortgage, you can refinance it into a shorter term and pay your house off a lot faster. Another great reason to refinance is there's a lot of equity in people's homes. Homes have gone up in value in the last couple years, so it's an opportunity for people to refinance their mortgage and to take some cash out against the property as well. They can use that cash out to do home improvements, consolidate other bills, and they could really utilize that money for a lot of different personal items.
When your car loan is paid off, keep that car for another few years. Take the amount you are paying on your loan and deposit it into your savings account every month. Number 3, use your credit card. Now, this may seem like odd advice. After all, credit card debt is the biggest threat to financial security, right? Well, it can be, but credit card debt is different from credit card use. If you use your credit card for regular purchases and pay the balance off at the end of the month, it can actually help you save more. First, you'll need a credit card that pays you cash back, like Sunmark's Visa Signature Card. Then, you'll need to use your card for groceries, gas, and even monthly utility bills. And then, this is the most important step. You need to pay off the entire credit card balance before the due date. This way, you'll get cash back for what you've spent, but you won't pay any interest on your purchases. Now, the next most important step is to put the money you earn through cash back into your savings account. Don't let it sit there and just add up or use it for next month's balance. Put it into savings. And number 4, don't spend the fives. Here's a savings tip that works well if you use cash frequently. Every time you get a $5 bill, tuck it into a spot in your wallet and don't spend it. That's right. Every $5 bill you come across, just stash it away. Every so often, deposit them into your savings account. This works because $5 bills are less common than other denominations. As of December 31st, 2018, there were 3.1 billion $5 bills in circulation, according to the Federal Reserve. For comparison, there were 9.4 billion $20 bills and 12.4 billion $1 bills in circulation at that time. So tucking away your fives can be pretty painless. Be sure to create a budget for your expenses and see how much you can save and invest each month. And if you decide to commit to setting yourself up financially, you can see 12 more tips that can get you on your way on the Sunmark 360 page at sunmarkfcu.org/connect.